Hi, welcome back to Moose in Chemistry. This is a titration problem. Here's our problem. If we had 90 milliliters of a 0.25 molarity calcium hydroxide are required to titrate 100 milliliters of hydrochloric acid, which is HCl, what is the M, or the molarity, of the HCl? Okay, well, to do that, we need a couple simple things. We just need a simple formula. The simple formula that we have is going to be M1 V1 equals M2 V2. Now each M stands for molarity, each V stands for volume. As long as the volumes are the same, we can use milliliters or liters, but in this case we're going to use milliliters because they're both in milliliters. Okay, so now let's get our values. M1 V1 M2 V2. Alright, so let's see who's who. So now when we're looking at this, we're going to go, okay, our M1 is 0.25 M. Our volume is 90 milliliters. Our M2 value, we don't know what it is. And our second volume is 100 milliliters. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to look for M2. Alright, so now we're going to go M2 equals M1 V1 over V2. So M2 equals 0.25 M times our volume, which is 90 milliliters, divided by our second volume, which is 100 milliliters. Well, milliliters are going to cancel out. So our M2 value is going to be, let's see here. Let's see, 0.225 little m. But we have a little hitch to this. Now think about it for a second. We have 2 OH ions there, right? So we're going to want to double that. So, because there's a 2 there, we have 2 OHs, remember? So we're going to want to times this by 2, and that's going to give us our new molarity of our hydrochloric acid to be 0.45 M. Well, that's it for this lesson. You guys be snarly. And we'll see you back here at Moose in Chemistry.